What's up, rat feet? Just wanted to share this awesome clip of this tardigrade molting that I caught during a live stream. Let's talk about it. Tardigrades are microscopic animals found all over the world with 1,500 plus species. This specific tardigrade did indeed come from moss, also known as water bears, and yes, they put them in space and they survived. Cool, but not all of them. The process of molting, or ecdysis, which is the nerd word for molting, is the process in which lots of organisms used to grow. So they shed their skin, they wiggle out of their cuticle, exoskeleton, whatever you want to call it. Lots of organisms do this. Tardigrades do this, snakes do this, lots of insects do it, and pretty much all the crustaceans that I'm aware of. But why do they molt? Well, first and foremost, probably we could say that it's growth. In order to grow, they need to shed their skin so they can grow. It's kind of a one-for-one there. Molting isn't the same for all species of tardigrade. Again, depending upon species, they can molt 4 to 12 times throughout their life, and molting will take around 5 to 10 days, the entire process, start to finish. So we got pretty lucky to catch this one. Things like environment, predation, and nutrition, they can definitely have an impact on when tardigrades molt as well. Second is kind of like a renewal. You're getting rid of your old skin, replacing it with new. They also shed, or molt rather, their mouth part called the stylet, and who knows why they do that, but I would assume that that's for upkeep purposes of the eating instrument of the organism. Third and possibly final reason that tardigrades molt is for reproductive processes, such as specifically egg deposition, or the laying of eggs. In many species of tardigrade, the female will line up her molt with her delivery or laying of the eggs. Therefore, they lay the eggs in the molt, or in the exuvium. I believe that's how you say that one. It's a fun word, but that's just the molt itself. So they have a significant protection from the outside world being inside that molt as they grow and develop as eggs. Yay, that's cool. Love it. Notice that this tardigrade was acting differently throughout the whole life, but I wasn't actually aware it was shedding its exoskeleton until about an hour into the live. And then we actually caught that clip there, which, again, this is a kind of a special thing for microscopists here. This is a very rare process to capture, and I'm so glad that we were able to capture at least part of it, not the whole thing, not in the best footage, not in the best lighting, but we caught it. This world was meant for beauty, like what we just saw, and I think it's important that we recognize the world is supposed to be beautiful, and part of what makes this world beautiful is the right for people to chase their dreams, to chase safety. Those are things that should be inalienable. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.